Okay guys, welcome back to this video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys the difference between get and post request in Django. So basically in the last video I told you guys on how to build a simple word counter using Django, but in that tutorial we use the get request. So I'm sure most of you guys didn't notice that because I've not talked about it before, but now I want to emphasize on the difference between get and post request. Now, get request is basically the default method used when sending a form to another page by HTML. So let me show you guys in the index.html page. Now, this is our form, yeah? So normally we're supposed to specify something like a method, and then we're supposed to type whether I want it to be get or whether I want it to be post. But if we don't specify it, let's say we just leave it blank like this, it's automatically going to be a get request or a get method. And what get does is that the only difference between get and post is that when we're sending data into another page using a get request, it shows all those data in the URL bar. But if we're using a post request, it won't show it. It will only show your website slash that URL. Let's say slash counter. It won't show this question mark and then the rest. That's why post request is more secure, because let's say we are dealing with user authentication, right? Let's say like logging in and signing up. We don't want to show the user's username and password in the URL bar when the user sends it to another page. We want it to be secure. Or let's say a user is paying with his credit card or something like that. We don't want to show all the credit card details in the URL bar. Then we are going to use a post request. Now to do that, we're going to specify a method. Okay, let's do something like this. Method, and let's give it post. And then there's something they call CSRF token in Django. This takes care of all the post requests, so we'll not get any error or something like that. So we're just gonna do something like this and type CSRF then underscore token. I'm gonna save it. And now to access this with this post request, we're going to come back to the views.py, and we're going to go to the function of that counter, and we're going to type in post instead of get. Now I think this is basically what we need to use a post request. Now if we come back and let's refresh this page, now if we paste this here and go to submit, you see it's telling us the amount of words, the number of words we have in that article, but it's not showing everything in the URL bar. That's basically what we want. Let's say we're using user authentication. This is how we want everything to be. Now I hope you guys understood what I meant by get and post request. If you did, please don't forget to smash the like button, and please subscribe and click on the bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. And if you have any question, please don't forget to drop it down in the comments. I'm free to answer all questions. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.